Hello everybody, I'm going to talk about one of the properties of Flexbox, that is align items. Before talking about align items, let us talk a little bit about Flexbox. Flexbox stands for flexible box and it is an alternative method for displaying like inline block and block, and it can be also an alternative for box model where many times we use margin and bearing with its respective value for the movement of element inside our own page. There are two important things to understand while we are using Flexbox. So let us see how the Flexbox looks like. In a Flexbox there are two, as I said, there are two important things. The first one is container, which is blue in color, the outer one, and the yellow, which is an element inside the container. So there are two things, that is container, which is an outermost, which is holding an element or an item, and the inside one, which is item itself. As I have said earlier, there are two important things in Flexbox, that is the container and the item. This div tag represents a container for this example, and this div tag represents an item for this container. Div tag is an important element that is used basically for the container purpose, and for the element div tag, span tag, images, links, button, and many more can be used as an items. So how can we use align items? That is an important property of Flexbox. So in order to use the align items property, that is one of the properties of Flexbox, firstly we have to initially start the use of flex. So like we did with inline and inline block or block, we have to firstly see display as a flex, and I'm sure that my friends might have done with a flex direction, flex wrap, and justify content. Align items, and it is used to align or arrange the item inside the container in a vertical way. So align items. So it has three important values. They are center, flex start, and flex end. Before starting with the align items, as soon as we apply the property display as a flex, the element or an items inside the container is arranged in a horizontal way. When I say align items as center, the elements are arranged in the center in a vertical way like this, and if this is the start, this is the center, and this is the end. This, when I say align items as center, this is arranged in a center, and when I say align items as flex start, which is one of the values of align items, flex start, the elements are arranged at the top of the container like this. And if I say align items property as flex end, the elements are arranged at the bottom of the container like this way. So thank you.